I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your Target Circle membership, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Target Circle. Once logged in, find the Target Circle section in the menu. Click on it to access your membership details. Step 3. Access membership settings. In the Target Circle section, look for the Membership Settings or Preferences option. Click on it to view your membership options. Step 4. Choose to cancel membership. Find the option to cancel your membership. It may be labeled as cancel membership or something similar. Click on it to proceed. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read any final messages or confirmations before completing the process. Remember, if you have any pending rewards or points, make sure to use them before cancelling, as they may be lost. Good luck with your cancellation, and I hope this helps.